hello hello guys, so today we are going to do a very detailed tutorial on AUTOCLICKER app. We will see the steps. We are going to see how installing AUTOCLICKER, how then after installing we are going to see the features of and contents of AUTOCLICKER, and from there we are going to see how to use we are going to have a demonstration of how we are going to use this to auto follow accounts on Instagram, and you'll see all the features in use. So thank you and welcome abroad. I can't wait to tell you everything. So we'll start without wasting time. We'll start with our first step. The first step here was to actually go to Play Store. We need to install this app. We go to Play Store, and what we are going to do in the Play Store, we're just going to search for AUTOCLICKER. The truth is I've made a lot of tutorial. I've already made a tutorial on this one. In the fourth step, you must go there and see. The link is in description on how to install and how to set it up and everything. But here I'm going to show you just the app. Here it is. Now that's the app. We are going to install this app. Make sure you click this one because this is the one that we're going to use in this tutorial. And from here I close it. From there you just have to use this app. I click that, it tells me it's installed, so make sure you use this one. You see this one, right? Make sure you use that one. That is the app that you should be using. Now I'm going to open it, right? You can open it from anywhere. You can open it from the Play Store. You can open it from where you have downloaded it. It's okay. I'm just going to open it from the Play Store right now, and I'm going to click open. I'll just click open right now, and I'll go show you some of the features inside the AUTOCLICKER. You may realize that in other videos my phone was in dark mode, and in this video I just put it in light mode, so nothing has changed. It's the same. It's the same thing. I've just changed the mode from dark mode to light mode. Now I'm going to show you all the features that this thing has. If you want to just perform a single click, you use the single target mode. There it goes. Single clicks, you just use the single target mode. But if you want to create multiple clicks, you want to create scrolls and all that, you use the multi-target mode. So in this tutorial we are going to use the multi-target mode. You see, if I enable the if I enable here the single target mode here, if I just click enable on the single target mode there, you can see it's just a single target as it says there. So I'll actually go on and close it. If we choose the multi-target mode, now this is where the fun begins. We just go and choose the multi-target mode. We click enable, and I'm going to actually enable this. Then we click enable. Then you actually have to say new configuration. These are the configs that I already did. We click on new configuration, which is not very hard. Just click on new configuration. Now you can set your own configuration. It's that easy. You see, it's that easy. Now you can set your own configuration. Now I want to give you a quick introduction about these tools and how you can use them. This one is the play. This is the play button, and this one is the one that you're going to be used to play everything that you go about. In this one you add the second one, you add a part, you actually add a click. So every cycle with a plus, every cycle has a number, that's a click. And in this one you're going to use it to scroll either up or down pages. You scroll up or down the pages. And this one you'll use it to remove clicks, and this is your settings. This is where you can save all the configs. So that is how it is. And this one is the navigation one. you all a navigation panel. You see, if I touch the navigation panel, I can just move it anywhere that I want. Now that you know all this, I want us to go in a journey where we are going to create an auto following mechanism. Like this is just a clicker. It's like a person clicking, so it's going to actually go and search what we want, and it's going to start following. So how do we do that? It's very easy. Just go on and click. We go to my Instagram account. It's easy. All I have to do is go to my Instagram account, and I'll show you how we are going to do this right now. So as you can see, there is the there actually is the Instagram account there. We are going to click there. First of all, we're just going to click inside the Instagram account. Okay, now thank you very much. Again, we are inside my Instagram account. Inside this Instagram account, I'm going to teach you now how we can go about following people. So first of all, we're going to press the add button where we see this button. Let me put it there. And in this button, we're going to actually press it at the home place. Now, the clicks will always start at the home part, the place where it's home, the home button. After that, I'm going to click inside there, and I'm actually going to add time. So what I'm telling this is that after clicking the home button, stay there for around just after clicking the home button, make sure you stay there for around 3 seconds. Click seconds before you do anything else. That is easy. Then I press OK. Now after pressing the home button, we want it to auto refresh so that every time we can have a new user to follow, in a new user whom we are going to follow the people who he follows. You understand? Now this is where this button comes to action. This one, this is where it's the drag button. So now we are going to add the drag button right there. We add this, you can see there's a drag there, and it's written a number. So when the number is up here, that means it's going to drag downwards. You see that? But when the number is down here, that means you're going to drag upwards. So you want to drag it upwards, or you can drag it downwards. It's like a what should I call it? It's like a swipe. So this is a swipe. So we are going to edit this swipe duration because I want it to refresh first before anything happens. I want it to refresh first before anything happens. So this is how I'm going to do it. We go for the swipe. We want it to refresh. Now what we are going to do here is, as you can see, you can turn it upwards, down, you can swipe it diagonally, you can swipe that way, any way that you need to swipe. You can swipe horizontally, but I want you to swipe down there. It's going to be a heavy swipe, and I want this swipe to actually stay there for 100 milliseconds, which means for 1 minute, 1 second, because a millisecond is a thousandth of a second. So 1,000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. Now here on top, I'm going to tell it that it needs to wait for like let's experiment here. Say cancel. Now try refreshing the page. When you refresh this page, you're going to see how long it takes to refresh. It takes around 3 to 4 seconds. Now what you have to do, you tap in again your number, the cycle, and you tell it that now I need you to refresh only for about 5 seconds. Stay 5 seconds. No, let's put 6 seconds. After refreshing, wait 6 seconds, refresh for 1 minute, which is 1,000 milliseconds, then wait 6 seconds before any other action can be done. Now after refreshing, all we have to do, we add another button. This is button number 3. Button number 3 here, as you can see it, button number 3. From here, from the button number 3, we want to tell it that it should click the user's profile. there, and we want to set it that after clicking it should wait for some time because the profile has to load. I'll put that around 4 seconds. Let it wait for 4 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to test it before I can go and see how many seconds it uses to enter this one. We go 1 2 3, yeah, 4 seconds is okay. After 4 seconds, now we want to tell it that it needs to go and click the followers. Actually, the followers, here are the followers. Now we're just going to click inside this person's followers. We add another button and we click inside this person's follower. By the way, I'm an artist. I like art, so I follow artists because I also draw and do digital art. So now I'm going to click in this person's followers. We say that after clicking this person's followers, you have to wait inside there. Let me cross check. Did I put seconds here? Yeah, it's seconds. You have to wait inside there for around 3 minutes. After clicking here, wait for 3 minutes, press OK. Now when you press the plus button to hide it, I'm going to click inside this person's followers, and as you can see, now I'm going to add something else, a button where I can actually go to the suggested area. This suggested area, I won't be swiping it. I've just have to add another button here, button number 5. It's going to the suggested there. I will go put it very near the corner so that you can easily click the suggested part. After there, I will tell it now it needs to last for around, in order for the menu to load the suggested people, let's say another 3 seconds. Press OK. Let's see how much time it takes to load. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it takes around 5 seconds. Now in order to not make an error on this one, we are going to tell it to wait for around let's say 7 seconds before it, after suggested has been clicked, it has to wait again for 7 seconds. Now it has to go and stay inside this platform for 7 seconds. From there, since this is the suggestion place, that's why I went to the suggested place. It won't give you the people you've already followed. So from here, we just add another last button. This is the follow button. Let's say I will always be following the person who is the second here. So when it refreshes again, it won't give me this person, it's going to give me another person. So you'll just be following these people automatically. I'm going to add another button here, and I say after following this person, just clicking the follow person, just last for 2 seconds, press OK, and now we'll be redirected back to the home button, and this goes on and goes on. So let's try and play here and see what happens. We can start from here, and I'll try yep, I just go and see my apps where my clicks are, so that I can't put my camera where the clicks are. I'll put my camera down below here, because from here nothing is going to be clicked on the camera. So from now I will just go on and hide this and play. You can see it in action. Play. It goes to the home button, it refreshes. After refreshing, it presses the copycat, waits for a second. Inside this person's profile, it goes on to the followers, it clicks on the suggested, waits like 4 seconds there. Okay, something was wrong here. We have to go back and see here. Yeah, okay, the problem is this button. When we click, we actually said 3 minutes. You should set it to just 3 seconds, and I press OK. Now everything will be okay. I'm going to play it again from here, and I'll hide it and play it. It goes home, refreshes. After refreshing, it's going to click on that person's profile. Then it goes to the followers. After followers, it's going to click on the suggested. and actually wait there for like 6 seconds. It's going to click on the faith trends correction. Now it's following that. 2 seconds, goes again home, and you can see it's going to actually refresh. So like now people are just posting new feeds, but if you let it like that, it's going to be doing the same thing over and over and over. So you go again to the followers. Since I like people doing art, it's going again there. Now you see you have Bofa TZ. It's going to follow that person, and again it's going to refresh. So this is how you do it. And the last part, let me pause. Now the last part that I'm going to show you is how to save this whole thing. Now from there you go and click the menu. You actually have to click the settings icon. There it is. There it's the setting icons. After clicking the setting icon, it's going to be hyper easy. From there you click the setting icon there. After clicking your settings icon, you are going to click on this pen symbol and write it. So I'll save this configuration as IG auto follow. So whenever you want to follow people on Instagram again, all you have to do is just to load this and play it. So I'll save it there. That is how easy you can use the auto clicker. And thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I also have another video where I show you how you can download it and set it in order to use it for godo.coin. But this was just a thorough view to see how you can use all the features of AutoClicker, and it's going to be easy to automate everything that you do every day. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and a big thumbs up, and I love you guys. Goodbye.